breaking reactions coming in after Kangana's call to reinstate the farm laws. The BJP has distanced from the remarks made by Kangana Ranaut by the party MP. The party says that this is a personal statement of Kangana Ranaut and does not depict the BJP's view on the farm bills.
तमाम सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर कंगना रनौत जी, जो कि भाजपा की सांसद नेत्री हैं, उनका एक बयान 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर, जो कि पहले वापस लिए गए थे, चल रहा है। मैं बिल्कुल स्पष्टता से कहना चाहता हूं, ये बयान कंगना रनौत जी का व्यक्तिगत बयान है एवं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तरफ से ना कंगना रनौत जी ऐसा कोई बयान देने के लिए अधिकृत हैं और ना ही उनका बयान, जो पार्टी की सोच है 3 कृषि कानूनों को लेकर, उसको दर्शाता है। इसलिए उस बयान का हम खंडन करते हैं। तमाम सोशल
Let's go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, the controversy being sparked off after the statement was made by Kangana Ranaut, but clearly the BJP distancing itself from it, saying this is not the official stand of the party.
Well, this is BJP in the damage control mode. Remember, Haryana elections are ongoing, and in fact the voting is due, and in fact this particular issue has created a lot of anxiety in the farmers of Haryana, and BJP clearly do not want to take any chances, and that is probably why the reaction and also the counter has come very quickly from the BJP party, and not just from the national but also the state president of Haryana, Mr. Mohanlal Badoli. He himself came on record to say that this is not a party stand. BJP is not going to bring back 3 farm laws. This has been cleared by BJP time and again. They distanced themselves from Kangana Ranaut's statement. In fact, Kangana herself had to come on social media to say that this is her own statement and has nothing to do with the party. This is her individual personal feelings that she is sharing about the well-being of farmers. While clearly the party is in damage control mode, the moment and the statement is being used by the Congress now. The Congress has also attacked BJP and also tried to send in a message to farmers that if BJP comes back to power again in Haryana, they are standing for the 3 farm laws and they may bring back 3 farm laws. This is a narrative that Congress is going to use, and this is what is worrying the BJP right now.
Okay, all right. So how is that going to impact the elections? Will be interesting to see the BJP distancing itself. But here's what Kangana Ranaut had said that sparked off the entire controversy.
हमें जो है एक साथ रह के चलना है, और हम लोगों का जो भविष्य है, अगर भारत है तो ही हम हैं। अगर भारत ही नहीं रहेगा तो हमारा क्या ही अस्तित्व रह जाएगा। और किसानों के जो लॉज हैं वो मुझे लगता है जो रिपील हो गए हैं वो फिर से लगने चाहिए। हो सकता है कंट्रोवर्शियल हो जाए, लेकिन मुझे लगता है किसानों के हितकारी लॉज वापस आने चाहिए।